Welcome everyone. Today I'll share how I increased my mail compiling speed using Python. This was a repetitive, time-consuming task for me. I'll explain the challenges I faced, how I automated the process, and the results I achieved. The main issue was the manual process of preparing emails. I had to copy-paste details into templates, check formatting, attach files, and make sure nothing was missed. On busy weeks, this would take 2 to 3 hours. Clearly, this wasn't scalable. I turned to Python because of its automation capabilities. Libraries like Pandas help process data, Jinja 2 manages templates, SMTplib handles sending emails, and OpenPixel works with Excel. My strategy was simple: prepare a template, load the data, fill in the details dynamically, and send the emails in bulk. The results were fantastic. What used to take 2 to 3 hours now takes less than 10 minutes. Human errors dropped almost to zero. And the process scaled beautifully, letting me send bulk personalized emails with confidence. Key lessons: start with structure, leverage Python libraries, test small before going big, and always include logging to track results. You can download the ready-to-use code from my GitHub repo. I have provided the link the first comment. Thank you so much for watching this till end.